What if feeling happier every day wasn't so hard? In this video, I'll share 10 simple habits you can start today that take just a few minutes but can completely change your mood. Let's get into it. Most of us think happiness is something that happens to us. Good day, we're happy. Bad day, we're not. But a lot of research shows it's also a skill, and small daily choices can make a big difference. You don't need a perfect life, a lot of money, or hours of free time. You just need a few simple habits you can actually stick to. Today, I'll walk you through 10 easy ways to feel a little happier every single day. Try one or two this week, then add more as you go. 1. Start your day with 3 gratitudes. Before you grab your phone in the morning, pause. Say or write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be tiny. My bed is warm. I have coffee. My dog is snoring next to me. This takes less than a minute, but it trains your brain to look for what's right, not just what's wrong. Do it for a week, and you'll start noticing good things faster, even on stressful days. 2. Get sunlight and move your body. Within the first hour you're awake, step outside for 5 minutes. Stand on your porch or by a window. Take a short walk down the street. Let real sunlight hit your eyes. No sunglasses for a minute or two if that's safe for you. Sunlight tells your brain, hey, it's daytime. Let's wake up. It boosts mood and helps you sleep better at night. Add a tiny bit of movement. A walk, stretching, or just pacing, and you get an extra happiness boost. 3. Do 60 seconds of deep breathing. When you feel anxious or annoyed, your body switches to fight or flight. Deep breathing is like a brake pedal for your stress. Try this simple version. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat for 60 seconds. That's it. 1 minute. You'll probably feel your shoulders drop and your thoughts slow down. Use this before a meeting, in traffic, or any time you feel your mood slipping. 4. Make one tiny, kind connection. Humans need other humans. Even small moments of connection can lift your mood. Every day, do one of these. Text someone, hey, thinking of you. Hope you're doing okay. Actually, look at your barista or cashier and say, hey, how's your day going? Call a friend on your drive home. It doesn't have to be deep or long. Just a reminder to your brain. I'm not alone. I matter to people, and people matter to me. 5. Do a 2-minute win task. Feeling stuck or lazy can drag your mood down fast. Beat that feeling with a 2-minute win. Pick something so small it feels silly. Put 1 dish in the dishwasher. Make your bed. Delete 10 old emails. Take out 1 bag of trash. Set a timer for 2 minutes and just do it. When you see that tiny bit of progress, your brain gets a hit of, I did something. That little win can give you energy for bigger things. 6. Limit your doom scrolling. Nothing kills happiness faster than scrolling through bad news and drama all day. You don't have to quit your phone. Just set one small boundary. No social media for the first 30 minutes after you wake up. Or no scrolling in bed at night. Use that time for music, stretching, reading, or just staring out the window. You'll be surprised how much calmer and lighter you feel. 7. Add one joy trigger to your day. A joy trigger is something small that almost always makes you feel good. This could be playing your favorite song and really listening, dancing in your kitchen while you cook, lighting a candle that smells amazing, watching a silly 2-minute video that always makes you laugh. The key is to do it on purpose, not by accident. Tell yourself, this is my little happiness moment for today. 8. Talk to yourself like a friend. We say things to ourselves we'd never say to someone we care about. Catch your negative self-talk once a day. When you hear, I'm so stupid, or I'll never get this right, pause and ask, would I say this to my best friend? If the answer is no, change it. I messed up, but I'm learning. This is hard, but I'm trying. You don't have to be fake positive. Just be fair and kind. Your inner voice is the one you hear all day. Make it a little nicer. 9. Do something just for fun. Adults forget how to play, but play isn't just for kids. It's a happiness tool. Every day, do one thing with no goal. Draw badly in a notebook, shoot hoops in the driveway, play a video game for 10 minutes. Cook something new, even if it turns out awful. Fun doesn't have to be productive. In fact, it's better when it's not. 10. End your day with a better thought. Right before you fall asleep, your brain is replaying the day. If you only think about what went wrong, you'll feel worse. Instead, ask yourself one simple question. What's one thing that went right today? It can be tiny. I finished that email. I took a walk. I made someone laugh. Say it out loud or write it down. You're telling your brain, yes, there were problems, but there was good here too. You don't need to do all 10 things at once. That's how people burn out and quit. Pick one habit from this list and try it every day for a week. Once it feels easy, add another. Over time, these small choices stack up. Your life may not change overnight, but the way you feel in your life can change a lot. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little more happiness today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.